Hi, so let's continue. So in this lecture, I'm going to create or configure SonarQube using Docker command. Or in simple words, we can say I'm going to run a container of SonarQube. So let me show you the command for that. So the command is docker run -d, that is for the detach. It means that I'm going to run the Docker container in background. And hyphen name. Here you have to provide the name, what name you want to give to this container. So I'm giving Sonar, you can give any name. After that you have to provide the port. So first port would be your VM port, on which port your VM is running. So I'm just giving 9000 colon, and then you have to provide the port of container. So I want this container, the container of SonarQube should be running on 9000. After that you have to provide the SonarQube image name. So I'm going to take this one, SonarQube. So this is the community version, which is a freeware. Enter. So first it will download the SonarQube image, and then it is going to run the SonarQube as a container. So that's done. How would you cross check? Simply fire docker ps. So my SonarQube is started running on this system. So how to access this system? You must have the public IP of this system, and then you can access with the port that is 9000. So that's all. In the next lecture I will show you how to access the SonarQube server via browser.